sometimes you may have to send somebody something in an email or text message and it may not go through, or they want it in a certain format. Let's say they want it in PDF. I'm going to show you in this video a quick way how you can turn a file into a PDF without having to use Microsoft Word. So if you have a MacBook, if you have a Windows, if you have a Chromebook, I'm gonna show you how to turn something into a PDF. It's real simple. It's nothing difficult about it. All you do is just open up Google, or you can open up your Internet Explorer, your whatever your web browser is, and you're gonna type in Google Docs. And you're gonna open up Google Docs. So once you open up Google Docs, it's gonna open up for you. Then you're gonna just open up a blank one. And then whatever you're trying to make into a PDF. So let's say I wanted to make a picture into a PDF. I would go to insert, upload from computer. Let's say I want the screenshots. I'm gonna take this picture of Machinedramon Digimon. All right. So now that I got this, if I wanted to turn this picture into a PDF to be able to email to someone, all you would do is go to File, and then go to Download. I don't know if you can see it. Let me try to zoom in. Go to File, Download. So once you go to Download, you see right here where it says PDF file. Click that, and then you'll see it saving as a PDF. And if you want to open it to make sure, it's going to open it up, and now it's a PDF file. You see it's in PDF format. So that is a quick way how you turn something into a PDF without having to use like Microsoft Word or something. All you do is go to Google Docs, File, Download, make it a PDF. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. More videos coming soon. Trey T out. Peace.